Drinkit is a complete ERP and CRM tool for beverage companies. It's fully configurable to fit both small and large production and distribution companies. Drinkit delivers functionality from financials to your supply chain, to manufacturing and more. It connects the many moving parts of your organization, giving you better control over what's going on in your business. Let's have a look at production and quality. Meet Philip. Philip is the production manager. During the micro-planning meeting, he discusses the production orders for the coming week with his team. After the meeting, Philip updates the production plan on production capacity and resources. On the production orders, Philip updates the quantities to produce, the machine or resource allocation, and the production starting date. After this update, the production data is aligned with micro-planning agreements. Catherine is the purchaser. She's responsible for the availability of the packaging and raw materials and negotiates prices and delivery terms with the suppliers. Every day, Catherine runs the MRP to detect packaging and raw material shortages. The update of Philip's upcoming production plan will challenge the stock levels. Based on the new requirements and minimum stock quantities, the system will suggest purchase orders in the requisition worksheet. Catherine issues the purchase orders automatically after accepting the proposal. John is the warehouse manager. When the goods arrive, he checks the supplier's delivery note with the purchase order and creates the warehouse receipt, which is in real time, available on a scanning device. The warehouse employee picks the pallets from the truck and stores them in the proposed warehouse bin. He scans the pallet labels, enters the received quantities, and validates the warehouse receipt. To ensure lot tracking from the raw material to end product level, the system requires inbound lot numbers for the product set up for lot tracking. Mike is the production employee. When he arrives at the factory on Monday morning, he has a fixed planning prepared by Philip. Mike starts the first operation of the next production order launched by Philip. When raw materials are consumed, he registers the used lot numbers to ensure lot tracking. Mike performs in-process quality tests during production. When production is finished, Mike indicates output quantities and losses. Depending on the number of steps in the production process, the registration of output and consumption is repeated. The automatic Fifo tracking function assists in finding the oldest lot number to consume. This avoids stock expiration and subsequent losses. Helen is the quality manager. She assures that all products are produced according to the quality standards. Quality tests can relate to purchase receipts or products in the production process. Based on predefined standards, Helen is informed about the different tests to be performed by her team. When there's a quality issue, she blocks the raw materials, the next production operation, or the finished goods. At the end of the month, Helen analyzes the quality statistics and aligns procedures and lessons learned with her team. All information for production, quality, and business analysis are automatically available. The backwards and forwards multi-level tracking function enables tracing of each lot from its origin to the final customer and back. What would you like to know? Drinkit can tell you. Drinkit is a complete ERP and CRM tool for beverage companies. It's fully configurable to fit both small and large production and distribution companies. Drinkit delivers functionality from financials to your supply chain, to manufacturing and more. It connects the many moving parts of your organization, giving you better control over what's going on in your business. Let's have a look at finance and distribution. Meet Sophie. Sophie is a sales order processor. Proactively, she calls customers on a predefined day and time to register the sales orders in an efficient way. While she talks to the customers, she explains current promotions and discounts. She also registers the sales orders that come in by phone and email. The sales orders that Sophie created already have all the Drinkit business logic integrated. The taxes, deposits, discounts and promotions are added based on the predefined processes and confirmed sales agreements. Takeaway discounts, volume discounts or sales promotion with free goods are calculated automatically based on customers and customer groups, items and item groups. Sophie's sales orders are released to the warehouse manager to plan picking and delivery. John is the warehouse manager. He plans the routes taking into account the availability of warehouse workers, trucks and drivers. Depending the requirement, own or third-party logistics will be used, with automatic follow-up of outsourced deliveries. Peter will be the driver for this route. The routes are also checked on maximum weights for the chosen truck. After planning, the picking process for the mixed and full pallets starts. Bob is a warehouse employee. He and his colleagues take care of the execution of John's planning. The warehouse workers use the integrated scanning solution to scan the SSCC pallets labels. This ensures full traceability. The shipments are posted to update the stock levels in the warehouse bins, and the goods are delivered to the customer. When the company is located in the EU and does business under suspension of excises, the EAD is prepared and sent out for full follow-up until acceptance of the goods by the customer. After delivery, the empty goods returned by the customers are added to the sales order or a separate credit note is registered. David works at the accounts receivable department. He makes sure all shipped orders are invoiced. He'll also monitor the automatic provisions and credit notes for periodic discounts and promotions. All information for accounting and business analysis are automatically available. What would you like to know? Drinkit can tell you. Drinkit is unique, covering all areas in the supply chain in one integrated solution for the beverage industry worldwide.